my name is Stephanie Itzel and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Kiehl's Glow Formula Skin Hydrator. I actually got this about a month ago and I absolutely love this product. So the three main ingredients that it includes is the pomegranate extract, which is going to help protect the skin from dullness, the illuminating minerals, which is going to give your skin a nice healthy glow, and also it's going to have squalane, which is a botanical oil derived from olives, which is going to help replenish the skin barrier. So a lot of great ingredients in this glow formula. The texture is pretty amazing. I actually have it on right now. You see? It smells really good. It smells like fruit, which is obvious, of course. So what I like to do with this product is I like to use this, I like to mix it in my moisturizer. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take however you put your moisturizer on. I always put it on my hand first, and then I just do a little pump of this and then just mix it around and put it on my face. If you wanna do this alone, see that glow, it's so nice, right? If you do wanna use this alone, it is great to use it with sunscreen, but it won't act as a regular moisturizer. It's just a great add-on. Another thing you can do is you can use it and mix it into your foundation, and it's just really great. I really like it. It's 95% naturally derived and it is $34. You can get it at Kiehl's.com, at the Kiehl's freestanding store at Nordstrom, at Dillard, at Neiman's. Yeah, I pretty much covered it all, I guess. I really like it. I've been using it for a month. Really, I mean, you can tell the difference. This is one without and this is one with. It just gives your skin a nice little glow, and I love the way it smells. It smells like, I don't know. To me, it smells kind of citrusy, but it smells fruity. But I really hope you like that short little review I did on the Kiehl's Glow Formula. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm sorry, English is my second language. So I am new to YouTube and I am starting to really get into it. So I apologize for not submitting or uploading as many videos as I should. But I have been busy with college actually and finishing up my advertising degree, so I'll be done with that in the fall, hopefully. And then, yeah, I'm just doing this on my summer vacation, so if you like this, give me a thumbs up, and then subscribe to my channel if you can. Thank you. Have a good day.